We believe what's outside should challenge what's inside us. Outside is an adventure. It's where we find connections with each other and ourselves, and make memories that last a lifetime. Outside is a gift, and we want to take care of it. Which is why Polaris has teamed up with the National Forest Foundation to create the Polaris Fund for Outdoor Recreation. This fund has a 5-year commitment of $5 million dedicated to support conservation and outdoor recreation. Together, we believe our national forests and grasslands and all they provide are an American treasure and are vital to the health of our communities. It's where we work and play, where the rewards are priceless. Outside is our home. It's why we exist. And taking care of it together, us and you, is one of the greatest ways to think outside.